everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your natural nail guru Tati, and today is definitely a show you want to pay attention to because we are going over daily nail care tips. So all we want is to be able to go about our day and not have to worry about a nail breaking or chipping or polish lifting or any of the above. We just want to have beautiful nails, and it's definitely possible. Although it may seem impossible because we use our hands for everything, it is definitely possible, and that's what I want to go over today. My recommendation of daily nail care tips to make sure your nails are super on point. So before we get into these nail saving tips, if you want to be up to date on all the tips that are going to help keep your nails super on point, healthy, manicures lasting longer than ever, as well as get the most thorough nail product reviews, then you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, get your notifications on, and share. Whether you are DIY or professional, the information I share is definitely going to help. Now let's get to these nail tips. So first tip, first and foremost, starts with your morning routine, and how you start your day is really going to determine how you rock your day. You can apply that to nails and every other aspect of life, but it's really true. If you take a moment in the morning to care for something or to prep something, you're likely going to be more committed to fulfilling your routine throughout the day and what you want to do, which in this case is take care of your nails. And what does that look like? That means in the morning, whether you put on makeup or maybe you just brush your teeth, wash your hands and go, grab a little cuticle oil or cuticle balm and nourish your cuticle. Get them ready for the day, get them looking good, feeling good. It takes just 2 seconds, and it's definitely something that is really easy to just throw in there with whatever morning routine you have. Even if you don't think you have one, you still get up every day and do something. Throw the cuticle oil in there. Nail tip number 2. Now this requires you to have something. You need to have a nail file. I absolutely love a 100/180 grit file because you get a rough side, but you also get a soft side. The file is to help make sure that if you get any nicks or any little scratchy parts that you feel, whether it entices you to touch it or maybe you're just concerned that it's going to be getting caught on fabrics or anything like that, the file is going to come in handy to help buff that away. Even if you get a nail break, if you get anything, that file is good to just smooth out the edge so that way you minimize the break getting worse, but also by filing it, you minimize the chances of the gel lifting up. I'll make sure to find a good file that I can link down somewhere and put the grid again in the details so you don't forget. Really the grid is all you're looking for, just a soft file. Third tip of the day really depends on you and your attention to detail. Third tip of the day is just be careful with your nails. There's a couple of things that we do every single day that pose a lot of threat to our nails, especially if we have some long ones or maybe we don't have any product on our nails. But you definitely just want to make sure that you're paying attention. When you're opening a door, careful how you grip the bar if you even try to grip the bar, because a lot of times we'll touch the bar and the nails are jamming into the glass door. So just pay attention when you're opening doors, car doors, your house door, when you're getting keys out of your purse, especially if you carry a lot of stuff in your purse. Some of these ladies got suitcases in there. Literally, Mary Poppins, everything is popping out. When you're going in and you're digging around, your nails are bending and scraping, and I don't know, maybe you have a blade in there or a fork that's like jamming on the edge that's going to start making it dented. You know what I mean? So you definitely just want to make sure if you're a digger and you're constantly looking for things that you're careful. Also picker, don't pick at tape to open boxes. Don't, pick at that little piece of something on your dashboard that, you're staring at the red light. All of those little things start eating away at the edge of your nail, making them weak, at the very least making these little dents that'll start snagging on stuff and causing breakage. So really it just takes you thinking about my nails. I know it sounds really weird, but just think about your nails, okay? And you will definitely get more and more used to dealing with life and going about your day already being cautious with your nails. The more you do it, the better you're going to get at it. So the fourth tip that I'm going to recommend, and this is especially for those that have very, very dry hands, dry cuticle, cracked cuticle, maybe you're repairing skin. Also, maybe you're just dealing with a lot of paper, cardboard, with things that just dry your hands out a lot. You're a nurse and you wash your hands 50 times a day. Cuticle balms are so much more effective during the day because it is a thick, waxy consistency. So you're definitely going to have more coating. It's going to last longer, especially through some brief, mild hand washes versus the oil that essentially will wash away a little bit quicker. So if you have those excessively dry hands, get your cuticle balm. And I'll talk a little bit about my cuticle oil and balm that is absolutely amazing and nail saving and the best thing you'll ever use, but we'll talk about it later. So re-moisturize. So fifth tip is going to be at the end of your day when you're getting in the shower and you're washing all up. Your hands are already going to be super soft. Your skin are going to be super soft. At this point, you definitely want to either use your nail or use a cuticle pusher, and I'll link a basic one down below. Any of them will work, but you want to go ahead and push your cuticle back. Pushing your cuticle back in the shower is awesome because, again, your skin's already wet. You're already under there in the water, so any little skin that comes up, you'll be able to wash it away. But pushing your cuticle back is really, really good to maintain all the skin growth that happens. It actually minimizes the growth of cuticle. It's actually also going to promote nail growth because now you don't have this skin that's holding your nail back. So for those of you that want to grow out your nails, that's a huge tip. If you've watched some of my videos, you already know cuticle care is everything. Push them back. You don't want to be rough, just be gentle. Some of you might have really hard cuticle. Then you definitely need to make sure you're doing this every day and just do it little by little. You're going to notice that it just gets easier and easier until you're able to like smooth out your entire nail plate. Once you're done pushing your cuticle back, grab maybe like a hand towel, or if you want like a paper towel, but something that you would use just for that, because you're gonna grab the towel, it's a little rough, and you're gonna go and rub along all your cuticle. That's gonna help. It's going to help you remove any of the skin that's come up even more so. And then my sixth tip for the day, how you started your day is how you want to end your day. You definitely want to include your cuticle care in your routine. When you're finished with everything, you're laying in bed, throw a little cuticle oil on there or cuticle balm, moisturize it again, and that's all. It's very, very simple. I know it seems like it might be a lot of steps, but in reality, it's really not a lot. And if you want to take care of your nails, you just got to think about them a little bit throughout the day. They're really cute and they accessorize your entire look. So you definitely want to make sure that you're putting attention and you're taking care of those beautiful nails. And if you don't already know about our amazing cuticle repair oil and balm, then you definitely want to make sure you check out the video at the end of this one. It is all about our handmade products, 100% natural. Every ingredient is an active ingredient, no water added. It's beautiful. It's amazing. You can actually use it for any dry spot, even chapped lips, cold sores. So just imagine what it could do to your cuticles, maybe your toes, if you got a little rough toes. But definitely check it out. It is the best. There's bundle savings on there. Check it out. You don't want to miss that. If you have any questions regarding the nail care tips that I recommend, the product, or maybe any issues that you're currently having, definitely make sure to reach out. I promise you these tips are all you're going to need. This is all I tell my clients to do. And if you see my Instagram, if you see my videos, my clients have beautiful nails, healthy nails, improves nail health. So trust me, it works. So I am done talking your ear off. Go take care of those nails and make sure you stay tuned because we have another video coming soon that you do not want to miss. And I will see you guys later. Bye.